On this problem, we're given the area and we're given the radius. So radius is 8 centimeters. The area of this sector is 8 pi square centimeters. And then we're asked to find the angle measure. So remember your formula for the area of a sector. Area of a sector, we take that arc measure divided by 360. That's what fraction of the circle we're talking about. And we take that times pi r squared. So when we look at this problem, we are given the area is 8 pi, we're given the radius. Given the area is 8 pi, and we're given the radius was 8. All right, so there's our radius of 8, and then the area 8 pi. So that would be pi 8 squared. We're looking for that angle measure. That's our unknown, and that's what we're trying to find. So then from here, I'm going to solve for x. Remember, we've said before that anytime I have pi on both sides, that's the first thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by pi and get rid of that. 8 squared we know is 64. So now we have x over 360 times 64 is equal to 8. We got rid of the pi, so it's just 8 that's left over there now. All right, so from this point, we could multiply both sides by 360. So if we take 8 times 360, we get 2,880. We multiplied by 360, so that part's gone, and we have x times 64. Now we're going to divide both sides by 64. So that 2,880 divided by 64, we find that x is equal to 45. And so that would be our angle measure for our central angle here, 45 degrees.